rider, same bike, lighter wheels, a little bit older.
Wiser?
No wiser. What's different? Okay, I think we're good here. Okay. And we're rolling. It's a Dutch monkey, 700 feet. Leave it alone. Oh, yeah. Oh, leave it alone. Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the hounds of hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. Yeah. And that ain't what you wanna hear, but that's what I'll do. And the feeling coming from my bones says find a home. Find a home. Find a home, yeah, yeah. Find a home. Come on. And the feeling coming from my bones says find a
Go, 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 go.
find a home.
104.30.
Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the hounds of hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. And the feeling coming from my bones says find a
My boy's deep in the pain cave now. Around 6,700 feet, 2/3 of the way up. Been killing it. He's on a 3:30 pace. He's got a lot of wind to deal with now. He's not having any fun. He's at zero fun, but he's doing good. But he's got to get way up there. See all this wind swirling around.
like the straw. Make the sweat drip out of every pore. Let no
decided at 7,500 feet, almost at 8,000 feet now, that this is the process of rebirth for Frank, and he's extremely dilated. He's fully dilated right now, and it's happening as well. We're at 8,000 feet, brother. Anything pushing to ride 2,000 feet.
15 more minutes of this.
You twat.
Anybody can do this. Hammer it. Seriously, you are so fucking close to being done. Little bit more pain. Little bit more pain.
So little you hardly notice.
Come on.
When I tell you who's who, yeah, 'cause I'm the big bad wolf. What you say? I'm the big bad wolf. What you say? I'm the big bad wolf. Blowing down your neighborhood. What you say? I said, what you say? I said, you got to seize up your day. Make the most out of you. You got to make the most. Watch your knees when you pray. Yeah. If you flex with my crew, you know.
And he's done. I'd like to see a little more effort towards the top. That would be better.
Come on. You gotta get out of the road.
Give me a second. This is the best part.
You have to get out of the road. You're all right. You're all right.
This is gold. Are you happy now? God. Motherfucker, that was bad. The V. No pulling? The V. Oh. Yeah. Who doesn't like a nice steep little finish, huh?
You gotta fix it.
It's a full-on lung cramping.
Nut
Happens
we
here.
need the nut bar. I wish I had a picture of that group and so scared that you were about to die.
It feels like your entire torso is trying to shrink by like an inch. Those cramps all along your ribcage, down your diaphragm.
Yeah, I've never experienced that pleasure.
341.54.
That sprint up that last section.
Yeah, that's an unholy finish on this thing.